The British colonization established full control over the Indian subcontinent in 1765, particularly in Bengal. In order to control the political power and revenue income, the British reformed the whole revenue patterns. Few years are memorable with specific reform agendas. 1793, permanent settlement adopted by the Governor, Lord Cornwallis. 1885, Bengal Tenancy Act approved, where the rights of the tenant on land is recognized. 1888 to 1940, cadastral survey started in Ramu and implemented throughout the country. 1950, State Acquisition and Tenancy Act approved, that has huge impact on land governance of Bangladesh. 1956 to 1963, SA operation started and completed. In 2012, Ministry of Land of Bangladesh government has taken a landmark initiative through the Department of Land Record and Survey with the support of European Union. Based on the strengthened access to land and property rights for all citizens of Bangladesh project is being implemented in 3 upajilas. These upajilas are Amtoli, Mohanpur and Jamalpur Sodor. This project mostly focusing on digital record and survey that fully align with the commitment of current government regarding Digital Bangladesh and Vision 2021. This digital survey is emphasizing people's participation, transparency and accountability. It is notable that the Sustainable Access to Land Equality project has come forward to support the public awareness and community participation. The proclamation of survey is announcing through loudspeaker at the village level. Hanging posters, writing on wall and distributing leaflets and year calendars to all with the instruction to fix the boundary of own land. Arrange public orientation for all landowners where ASO delivers space and answer people's questions. Folk song is arranged at the beginning of the public orientation. Courtyard meeting is arranged at the village level through using flipchart. Broadcasting of advertisement on the local satellite channels of pilot areas is going on. All the awareness activities are targeting improved participation of landowners including poor, minority and women at each level of survey, like Travers, Kishtwar, Khanapuri and Gujarat, attestation, draft publication or public display, as well as updation and appeal. This type of awareness building work will help the whole land digitalization system, which will be a remarkable attempt to create a digital Bangladesh.